In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge white screen. If Microsoft Edge opens to a blank white window or turns white when you load a page or switch tabs, the most common cause is a graphics rendering conflict. The quickest and most reliable fix is to turn off hardware acceleration inside Edge, then restart the browser. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, step by step, and explain what each part does so you know why it works. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Look to the top right corner and click the three dots to open the menu. From there, choose Settings. In the Settings window, find the section called System and Performance. You can click it from the left sidebar. Or, if you see a search box at the top of Settings, type System and select System and Performance from the results. This is where Edge controls how it uses your device's hardware to display web content. Inside System and Performance, locate the option labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available. This feature tells Edge to hand off graphics and video tasks to your computer's GPU. In theory, that speeds things up, but if the graphics driver or the GPU conflicts with Edge, the result can be a persistent white screen. To stop that from happening, turn this switch off. You'll see the toggle move and the setting will change immediately. Edge may show a prompt suggesting a restart to apply the change. If you see that, go ahead and restart from the prompt. If not, close Edge and reopen it normally. Make sure every Edge window is fully closed so the setting can take effect. If you have multiple windows open, close them all. Then launch Edge again the way you usually do. When Edge comes back up, the white screen should be gone. Try navigating to a few sites, opening a couple of tabs, and scrolling a page with images or video to confirm everything is rendering as expected. Disabling hardware acceleration shifts the work from your GPU to your CPU, which is generally more stable across different systems. On most modern computers, you won't notice a performance difference in everyday browsing. If you do heavy 3D work or run many high-resolution videos at once, that may use a bit more CPU, but the trade-off is a smoother, crash-free experience in Edge. That's it. By going to Settings, opening System and Performance, turning off Use Hardware Acceleration when available, and then closing and reopening Edge, you resolve the white screen issue quickly and reliably.